Hey guys, welcome. In this module, you will learn how to do additions and subtractions in a much faster way than the traditional way that you learned. For example, let us say you have 9 plus 7. You can easily tell it is 16, right? Otherwise, you have 8 plus 5. You can tell that it is 13, right? Now, if you have 57 plus 84, it takes some time. Your mind will not work instantly as it has worked for 9 plus 7 or 8 plus 5. It will get stuck in this case, right? So that thing we will overcome in this lecture. You should be able to instantly tell the answer for 57 plus 84 also. So that is the main objective. And the same thing for subtraction. So generally how to do that? In the school days what we have learned is 57 plus 84. This is the traditional way that we learned. 7 plus 4 is 11. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 1 carry is 14. 141. This is the way that we learned. But how to do in a faster way? For that we will use some concept called as number line. What we do is, if this is a number line, 57 will be here and 84 will be here, right? So first what we need to do is, we should not add 84 directly. First we need to travel 4 units. That is 57 plus 4, which gives 61. So first we need to get through 61. After getting 61, we should add 80, which is 141. So this will be the first step and this will be the next step. Your thought process should be in this way. 57 plus 84. First you need to add 4 to the 57, that is 61 plus 80, which is 141. Now 61 plus 80, it is nothing but a one digit addition, right? You only need to do 8 plus 6. And in this case also it is only one digit addition, right? You only need to do 7 plus 4, that is 61. And here 8 plus 6, that is 14. And at the end 141. So this is the very easy way to do addition. Now let us take some examples, and you need a lot of practice for this. Now let's add these things one by one in a clockwise direction. Here I am explaining the thought process, how to do. In the first case, that is 48 plus 57. First we need to travel 7 units, that is from 48 to 55. And after that 55 plus 50 is 105. So 48 plus 7 is 55. 55 plus 50 is 105. In this case 105 plus 3, 108 plus 60, 168. 108 to 168. And in this case 68 plus 4, 72. 172 plus 40, 212. 172 to 212. Here 212 plus 1, that is 213. 213 plus 70, 283. 213 to 283. And similarly 288 to 348. 288 to 348. Here 350 to 380. You are getting this, right? First we need to add that 2, that is 348 plus 2, 350. And after that we need to add 30, that is 380. This is the way your mind should be working while doing the addition. Now what happens if you need to add a 3-digit number? What should be the thought process? Let me take an example. In this case, first what we need to do is, we need to separate the hundreds digit out, that is 1, 4, 8, 11. So that will be 1100, right? Next you need to add the tens digits. So let's see quickly. 112 plus 94. First 112 plus 4, that is 16. 16 plus 90, 106. After that 106 plus 3, 109 plus 40, 149. After that 149 plus 1, 150 plus 9, that is 240. 2 will be the carry. 11 plus 2 is 13 and 40. The answer will be 1340. And all these things you should be able to do in mind. Yeah, that's it guys. This is the shortcut for faster additions. If you are perfect with this, in the next lecture we will see how to do subtractions in a much faster way. Until then, have a good practice. Take care. Bye bye.